So here you will see the customer giving specifications to the employees on how she wants her sushi roll to be created. Here's a close-up of how the sushi roll will look. The employees are attempting to make the sushi rolls for the first time. As you can see, they have not taken the time to understand the concepts and the specifications created by the customer. Therefore, everything on the conveyor belt is being produced wrong.
In one day at our sushi restaurant, we sold 334 sushi rolls. At the end of the night, we discovered that 43 sushi rolls were scrapped. The price for conformance was calculated to be $2.50. This is the price associated with doing the job right the first time. The price of non-conformance was calculated to be $5.25. This is the cost that occurs when you have to do things over again. To find our POC, we multiplied our POC by the number of sushi sold. To find our PONC, we multiplied our PONC by the number of sushi rolls scrapped. Then, to find our CTR, we divided our POC by the POC added by the PONC. A perfect CTR is equal to 1. This is when the PONC is absent. Since our factory line has scrap of 43 sushi rolls, our CTR is less than 1 and indicates quality issues with a rating of 0.78. Based off the FTY formula using the number of sushi rolls sold, subtracted by the number of scrap, and dividing it by the number of sushi rolls sold, we yield a percentage of 90%. This means that we are falling below Sigma Level 3.
Here the customer meets with the employees to discuss the product that they just created. She comes to find that none of the sushi rolls are in conformance with her specifications. She begins to explain to the employees further on what she needs.
So how do you decrease defects in a process? You can implement the methodologies of Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is a practice to improve a system's performance by removing waste and reducing variation. Lean removes any waste from a process, including any unnecessary activity required to manufacture a product or service. Six Sigma reduces defects by problem solving to prevent further money loss and gain customer satisfaction. Adding the two processes together results in Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is based on common sense practices and is completed in 5 phases known as DMAIC. DMAIC is the quality strategy used to improve processes. It's an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. Define means to define and identify the audience and the goals of the project. Measure means to measure information about the current situation and collect required data about its processes. Analyze means to analyze and evaluate the most critical variables and identify the root cause of the problems. Improve means to improve on the process by developing solutions and documenting an improvement plan. And control is to maintain the improvement efforts and regularly review the process to ensure it is working.
The employees take another go at creating the sushi rolls for the customer. This time, they've clearly taken the time to understand the concepts and the specifications listed by the customer, and they begin to create sushi rolls that are entirely in conformance.
After implementing our methodologies, we sold 474 sushi rolls and only 12 sushi rolls were scrapped. In the end, our CTR rating improved to be 0.93. Based off the FTY formula, we get a yield percentage of 97%. This means that we are still falling below Sigma Level 3 despite our improvements to the process. This also shows that it is very hard to reach Sigma Level 6.
Yay! The customer has received the product. She is clearly very ecstatic about her sushi rolls, so much so that she eats one right on the spot.